Good morning, children. Show kindness and be respectful to not just human beings but to every living being. Yes, children, we have to love and respect and show compassion to everyone, not just human beings but everything that is living. That was the story about I Want a Pet. It is all about taking care and taking responsibility. Today I am going to tell you the words to know and other activity of the lesson. So let's start. Words to know. Muck means dirt. Shrill, loud high pitched sound. Communicate, to convey message. Furr, sound made by a cat. So जो cat sound बनाती है बोलती है उसको furr बोलते हैं. Now be mindful. Close your eyes and imagine you have a beautiful wings like a peacock. One of your friends have an amazing fur coat for a skin just like a teddy bear, and the other friend has tusks like an elephant, and they are talked about everywhere. Now think all of them have been caged for the beautiful things that they have. You cannot spread your wings wider or fly high. Your one friend is watched all the time by her beautiful skin, and the other friend's teeth have been taken away to be sold for profit. Now open your eyes and realize that you are in your class. Feel privileged that you are not in cage for the pleasure of human. Let's together pledge to be mindfully aware of all the needs of animals. Yes, children, we should never cage animals. Everybody should be free, right? If I put you in a closed room for 24 hours, you will feel suffocated. आपको बंद सा लगेगा. वैसे ही when we cage animals, उनको भी बंद सा लगता है. They can't move their wings, they can't fly, they can't run around. So we should always set them free. Now question and answer. At first, what did Wally want for a pet? So at first he wanted a lion for a pet. Why did Wally suggested to have a chimpanzee? Wally suggested to have a chimpanzee, saying that he will hop around from place to place, and we don't need to give him more dishes because chimpanzee eats only banana. What was the mother's objection? The mother's objection was that chimpanzee needs big trees and open trees, and in a house how he would move around or how he would hop from or jump from one tree to another. And it is not just banana that they eat much more than that. Why could Wally not have a duck as a pet? Wally could not have a duck as a pet because the duck would create a lot of muck. She will quack all around, and then that sound will disturb everyone. What else do you think the chimpanzee eat other than bananas? That you have to find, children. What do you think? The chimpanzee eat bananas, they eat leaves, so they eat fruits, fresh fruits which are there on the tree. Mother rejected the idea of having a peacock too. Why? Because it was very difficult to tame a peacock, and they make a very shrill sound, and it is difficult to communicate with them. What pet did Wally settle for in the end? So Wally said that we will have a cute little cat. Do you think the choice made by Wally was right? Yes, because other animals were wild animals and they need a lot of space. Chimpanzee, peacock, duck, lion, they all need a lot of space and open jungle thing. However, a cat can be kept as a pet animal or a domestic animal, and she is comfortable in the house with you. Okay, now following are some basic rules that one should follow when they visit a zoo. Put these things as right in do's and others as don't. So there are few things that we have to put as do's and don'ts. Tease animal. So when you go and visit a zoo, don't tease animals. So that is don't. Play audio system in the zoo premises? No, don't play music because animals like to be calm and quiet. Speak softly and only if important? Do. Ask question from the guide? Do. Feed your food to animals? Sometimes you can do, children. If you want to feed carrots, or if you want to feed bananas, you can still do that. Then we have litter the zoo premises? Don't. Not just zoo, but not anywhere. You should not make any place dirty. Report any suspicious activity? Do. Respect all animals' privacy? Do. Click picture by turning the flash on? Don't. Because animals don't like that. They should be clicked. That flashlight will trouble them a lot. So we should not click pictures with the flashlight on. So we again have Tony and Tutu. Why are you carrying a parakeet in a cage, Tony? Isn't it beautiful? I paid a lot of money to buy it. How would you feel if you were put in a cage? I cannot let anyone take away my freedom. But that's what you are doing to the parakeet. You are right. I will open the cage and let it fly. Yes, so see how intelligent these two friends are. He got a parakeet in a cage, but then the Tutu said that you should set it free. Why to put somebody in cage? Why to take away the freedom? So the monkey opened the cage and freed the parakeet. Now subject connect. Some expressions from the poem are given below. Match them with the meaning given in the circle. Now to hop around, jump here and there. Far and plain, attractive, easier said than done. When a good idea is difficult to be practiced. Cheer your face, make you happy. Now children, we will see value for life. The greatness of nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals has 5 wishes for all the animals living on the planet. Let's see what these 5 wishes are. Freedom from hunger and thirst, freedom from discomfort, freedom from pain, injury or disease, freedom to express normal behavior, freedom from fear and distress. How can you implement these freedom wishes for animals? Is this only applicable to the pet animals or all the animals? So now the Royal Society of Preventing Cruelty of Animals, children, they have 5 freedom pledge that they have made. So, and this is applicable for all the animals, whether they are pet animals or whether they are animals in the jungle or animals flying, that everybody should get food. Everybody should be free. Okay, we should not hurt them. We should not give them any sort of pain. And they are free to express the behavior. So, for example, if a monkey is happy, he can express his behavior. See, if a bird is happy, then they sing in the morning, right? If a peacock is happy seeing the rain, what he does? He opens his feathers, yeah. So, that is what freedom is all about. Now, see, be wise. Let's talk about pets. Do you have a pet at home? If you have a pet, then it is very important, and if you don't, then also listen to it carefully. Pets are responsibility which should be taken seriously, like us. Animals also have feelings, and animals that are pets need to be looked after well and show kindness and love. Pet depends on us for their upkeep in return. They become your friends. You learn about caring for your pet, feeding, cleaning, exercising, visiting vet. You learn kindness. They are stress buster. They keep you active, healthy and happy. Yes, children who have pet dogs, or if you don't have a pet, it is a very beautiful feeling, children, to own a pet. Yes, because then you understand the feeling of love and care. You love the pet, you take care of him or her, you feed them, you groom them, and then if they are sick, or if you take them to a veterinarian. So having a pet is a very nice thing, children. But before keeping a pet, there are few things that we need to remember. Pet needs space, especially large pets like dogs very small place are not as advisable to keep pets like birds and hamster in small cages is not good for them. So dogs need space. If you have a big dog, then you need space. You just can't put them in a small house. Then if you have pet like birds and pigeons and parrots, then they need space. You can't always put them in cage. Pet needs nutritional balanced diet which cost money. You should be able to afford them. Yes, pets, they can't eat whatever we eat, so they have a special pet food, dog foods, fish foods, so you should have money to afford them. Pet needs visit to veterinarian. Yes, so you need to take the pet to a veterinarian for grooming them, for giving them injections and everything. Pet need to be trained and exercised. Yes, you need to give time to pet. You need to train them how to shake hand, how to stand, how to walk, and then you also need to take them out for a walk. You need to train them to exercise so that they stay fit. Pet need to be kept clean. Yes, a proper grooming, brushing their hair, their teeth, cutting nails, cleaning their eyes, everything is needed when you have a pet. Pets need to be safe. You need to be sure that the environment provided by you is safe and healthy. Yes, children, like if there is dirt, we can fall sick. Same way, even our pet can fall sick. So whatever space we give to a pet, it should be neat and tidy. We should clean it every day. We should sanitize it every time. So children, this is the responsibility that you need to have when you own a pet. So if you're planning to take a pet, make sure that you're very clear that it is just like a small baby that you are taking care of. Now children, that is all about the story today. I hope you understood the meaning and the value of keeping a pet. It is a very, very, very important and a very responsibility job. So take care of yourself and always be happy and enjoy. Bye bye and take care.